Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical nursery rocking chair, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, nursery rocking chair, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best nursery rocking chair from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MAMAZING Nursery Rocking Chair with Adjustable Armrests. Discover the ultimate comfort and functionality with the MAMAZING Nursery Rocking Chair with Adjustable Armrests, a must-have for new moms. Designed for nursing and soothing your baby, this chair features Hug Assist ergonomic armrests that adjust up, down, and rotate to provide exceptional support during feeding and bonding time. The 30-degree rocking motion and 270-degree swivel make comforting your little one effortless. This power recliner takes relaxation to the next level with a reclining backrest and an extending footrest, offering total body support at the touch of a button. Made from soft silicone leather, it's waterproof, stain-resistant, and pet-proof, ensuring durability. Convenient features include cup holders, phone holders, USB and Type-C charging ports, and safety is a priority. Assembly takes just 10 minutes, and with 24/7 support, MAMAZING makes parenthood truly amazing. Number 2. CHITA Power Recliner Swivel Glider Nursery Rocking Chair. Experience ultimate comfort with the CHITA Power Recliner Swivel Glider Nursery Rocking Chair. Designed with moms in mind, this versatile chair offers a 270-degree swivel, smooth gliding motion, and a quiet power recline adjustable from 90 to 135 degree, ensuring flexibility and relaxation at the push of a button. Crafted for durability, it features a patented Leggett and Platt mechanism, tested for 25,000 cycles and supporting up to 350 HPs, promising long-lasting stability. The fixed lumbar cushion provides essential lower back support, while the extended footrest makes it perfect for nursing, reading, or relaxing. Made from premium faux leather in a stylish cognac brown, this chair is both easy to maintain and visually appealing. Convenient features like built-in USB charging ports and quick assembly mean you can enjoy comfort and functionality in minutes. With its 35.8-inch deep, 32.3-inch wide, 39.8 height dimensions, the CHITA recliner is a must-have for nurseries or cozy corners. Number 3. Evolur Raleigh Upholstered Plush Nursery Rocking Chair. Elevate your nursery comfort with the Evolur Raleigh Upholstered Plush Nursery Rocking Chair in light gray. Designed for ultimate relaxation, it features an ergonomic backrest, comfortable side rests, and smooth 360-degree swivel and gliding motions. The multiple reclining positions and easy-to-use footrest lever make it a perfect spot for nursing, rocking your baby to sleep, or simply unwinding after a long day. With its tool-free assembly, setting up the Raleigh is a breeze. Crafted with a durable polyester fabric and foam filling, it offers both comfort and easy maintenance. Convenient side pockets keep essentials within arm's reach, while the sleek design complements any nursery, bedroom, or study. Built on a sturdy metal base, this chair supports up to 250 pounds and meets all safety standards, including CA 2B 117 to 2013 flammability requirements. Add style and function to your space with this versatile, cozy chair. Number 4. YUUIJOAA Glider Modern Accent Nursery Rocking Chair. Transform your nursery into a cozy haven with the YUUIJOAA Glider Modern Accent Nursery Rocking Chair in elegant beige linen. This premium rocking chair combines comfort, style, and functionality, making it perfect for soothing your baby or relaxing after a long day. Crafted with high-rebound sponge padding, this chair offers lasting comfort while the soft linen upholster keeps you from fracturing. The strong wooden frame ensures stability, featuring extended legs for added safety and non-slip strips to prevent noise and floor scratches. Its thoughtful side pocket keeps essentials like books or phones within easy reach. With a sleek modern design, this glider fits seamlessly into any room, blending functionality with elegance. Easy to assemble in just 15 minutes, it comes with clear instructions and all necessary tools. Experience the perfect blend of practicality and sophistication with this must-have nursery rocking chair. Number 5. Krinana Nursery Rocking Chair with solid wood legs. Add a touch of elegance and comfort to your nursery with the Krinana Nursery Rocking Chair, with solid wood legs in beige teddy. Designed for both style and functionality, this chair is a must-have for any modern home. Crafted with a sturdy engineered wood frame and reinforced with extra wood strips, this rocking chair offers exceptional stability, supporting up to 300 pounds. With 6 hours, 9 minutes, and 15 minutes on average with the best wine season, this rocking chair is a turnkey way to reduce stress and intrude anyone into the warm. Its plush sponge-filled cushion provides lasting comfort, quickly rebounding to maintain its shape. The modern design with smooth lines makes this chair a refined addition to any room. Convenient side pockets on each armrest allow easy storage for magazines, remotes, or baby essentials. Perfect for the nursery, living room, bedroom, or office, this stylish chair combines functionality with luxury. Enjoy relaxation and sophistication with the Krinana Nursery Rocking Chair, a timeless addition to your home. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.